This drink packs a probiotic punch. It's got fizzy flavor and impressive health benefits, I understand. My next guest says it's a good swap to kick the Diet Coke addiction. Oh no, now she's said it. The challenge is on the table. Certified nutrition and wellness consultant Amy Roskelley is joining me to walk through the world of kefir water. It's great to see you.
Good to be here, and for the record, I told them it's a great substitute for soda. I would not want you to give up Diet Coke if you don't want to.
She's not calling out the Diet Coke.
No, that is not my agenda.
Save your emails. All right, let's start with the definition, Amy. What is kefir?
Okay, kefir is just bacteria and yeast, and these are kefir grains, and so you have to use this to feed the water to create your drink. And it's just like any fermented drink like kombucha or milk kefir. It's just another way to create your own probiotics, and
so we're hearing
good stuff.
more and more about this, but probiotics, the health benefits of drinking something like this are what?
Yeah, it improves your gut microbiota. It improves digestion. It improves your ability to absorb nutrients. There's a lot of gut bacteria benefits to probiotics, and probiotics off the shelf to buy are quite pricey, and you literally can make your own.
So let me ask this before we see how it's done. I know how often I'm drinking the Diet Coke.
Okay.
How often do you recommend drinking? Is this something you're drinking every day?
You could drink this every day. It has billions of the bacteria that you want and need in your digestive tract.
Okay, where do I get kefir grains?
Okay, so they're really easy to find. I got these actually on Etsy, but people sell them on your KSL classified or Facebook Marketplace. Like usually if you just put in kefir grains on Facebook Marketplace, near me, you can find a neighbor selling them.
So not something I would buy at a traditional grocery store? Or?
Yeah, actually I have seen them at Good Earth, but I like homemade.
Why?
Just because people have taken care of it. If it's been on a shelf, I don't know how active the grains are, so I'd rather buy it from a neighbor who's been feeding it regularly.
I was going to ask, so like a sourdough, do you have to feed it?
Yes, we're going to be feeding it, but you can also put it in your fridge for quite a while, and you don't have to continue to
I'm intrigued. Show me, Miss Amy.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do once we get our grains from our neighbor who took care of them, we are going to mix a little bit of warm water with some sugar. So the difference between milk kefir and water kefir is that we are just using sugar to feed the grains.
That's just
and
natural
water.
Sugar.
Yeah, so this is cane sugar.
Cane sugar.
So just kind of mix it up so that it dissolves a bit. And then we're gonna fill the rest of it with water. You can use distilled water, spring water. If you use water straight from the tap, let it sit for 24 hours or so. You just don't want any chlorine because these kefir grains are fragile and it could kill the grain.
Can I ask a dumb question? Where is my neighbor or that person on Etsy getting kefir grains? Like where do these come from? Is that dumb?
Somebody started growing it with bacteria.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody very smart.
Yum. Okay, all right. So it's a science lab thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once you have your sugar dissolved in your water, you're just gonna add your grains. And then you're gonna let this sit for 2 days.
Okay.
So you can use one of these little erasable pens. I'm gonna say we did this on 10/5, and I'll know.
It sits for 10 days.
2 days.
2 days, sorry, 2 days.
2 days.
And then what do I do with that once it's done?
So after 2 days, we are gonna strain the water. So this is now active water. You can use a cheesecloth, or I like, I like just an easy strainer.
Okay.
So this has been sitting for 2 days, and I'm gonna get the active water out of that.
And do you save those?
And so I'm gonna save it to start all over again.
Okay.
Yes.
So
we
this
just
has the
want the
probiotics
water
that we want.
Yes.
Okay. And then you flavor it.
And then you flavor it. I'm gonna put a little grape juice in this one, but some of these over here, like this cream soda is just flavored with vanilla.
Oh.
And you can do like fruit. But apple and grape is the most popular.
Can I try this, Amy?
I want you to try the fermented.
Okay,
Wait,
sure.
not yet.
Not yet. Sorry, I'm rushing it.
Okay, so after you have the your juice and your kefir water, we're gonna put it in a sealable bottle.
Okay.
For 2 more days.
2 more days.
2 more days. So total 4 days.
4 days.
Yes. And after 4 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Are you nervous? I'm nervous.
I am nervous. First, let's open this one. This one's only been 2 days, and so it shouldn't explode on us.
Is this an acclimated taste? Like, is it going to be a little shocking to my senses at first?
If you're not used to fermented drinks, probably.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Oh.
Whoa. So this is only 2 days.
Okay.
Of fermenting.
That's okay. That's all right. Let it fly.
Yeah. Okay. And let me open this one because it's been 4 days.
Oh, okay.
But I just wanted to for like
the effect of the wow.
Effect.
Yeah, no, that was an effect.
Okay.
I'm standing back.
I'm gonna put a little towel over this one.
Okay, go girl.
Oh, anyway.
All right.
That because I burped it a little bit before I came. So
oh my gosh, we're burping balloons on the show today. We're burping kefir water. Okay, while I'm sampling, tell us where we can get more recipes and health information from you. That's a lot.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm at Health Beet, like the beet as a vegetable, and this is your grape.
That's good. That's good.
It's fresh.
I would drink that.
It's good. You can have lots of different flavors.
Cheers, Amy. Thank you so much. Health Beat on Instagram.
Yes.
I learned a lot today. Thank you for taking all my silly questions.
Thank you for having me.
Kefir water. I know it's a thing, but now I know more about it.
Cheap alternative to soda and probiotics on the shelf.
Thank you very much.
You're
well done,
welcome.
Amy. Great job. I will link you over to Amy's website from ours, studio5.ksl.com. You can also find all of the recipes that you see shared on the show there by clicking the food tab.